retreat box. As the weather gets colder and the days feel darker, our retreat edition beauty box is here to help you feel cosy and relaxed. This box has been specially curated with some products designed for the ultimate self-care evening. Sounds good to me. And a chance to take a moment to yourself amongst those busy days. Hello gorgeous beauty babes and welcome to my channel. This is Janice and today I'm doing something different on my channel that I don't normally do. Now I will explain why I'm doing this. I'm doing a opening of the Look Fantastic beauty box. Now the whole point of me doing this was because I was interested in buying the Look Fantastic calendar, advent calendar, which was £85. But if you took out a subscription you could get the advent calendar for £70, which I thought was absolutely brilliant. Didn't realise that you actually had to do the whole thing at the same time. So if you wanted to have the subscription and the money off the advent calendar, you had to buy the advent calendar there and then. By the time I realised that this was the case, the advent calendar had sold out anyway, and I ended up with a three-month subscription to Look Fantastic, which I'm not going to complain about. I'm not going to complain about because I got a good deal. I booked it through topcashback, and I think I got like £6 back anyway for doing a 3-month subscription, which was really good. And I did get the box for September, but I only got it a couple of weeks ago. So I thought I'm not going to do an unboxing because what's the point? So many people have already had it, and so many people already know what's in there, and it is now sold out. So today, the October Look Fantastic box has come out and I'm really excited because I've got no idea what is in this whatsoever, so you will be finding out at the same time as me. So I really like the box, I really like the colour box this month. I like these are very, very sturdy box. They're really good for keeping stuff in. So let's just open her up. Okay, so first thing that we see inside, this is what I love about the Look Fantastic beauty box. They give you not just a little leaflet, but they give you a full-on booklet with loads and loads of information in. I mean, like they've got moonboard candles in here, which looks absolutely beautiful. Ooh, I wonder if that means there's a candle in here. They're advertising the advent calendar, but what's the point because it's sold out. Yeah, it's a really good little booklet that they do. I really like that. And then they've also got the Look Fantastic Foundation folder hold here. So I assume you have to scan that in with your phone. Well, I haven't got my phone with me, but we're going to do it. So I'll unbox this first and then we'll do it and we'll see what the process is and what you have to do. So open up and it's got this beautiful lilac paper inside, and they've got their little sticky bit which they do. It's very, very similar to Glossy Box in that sense, very similar indeed. So let's just open up. It feels like a very jam-packed box. So, ooh, it is a very jam-packed box. There's a lot of goodies in here. Okay, so first off that we see, we have Starskin Eye Catcher Smoothing Bio Cellulose eye masks. I love eye masks. I got some eye masks in the last Glossy Box, which I absolutely loved. They were amazing. These are basically very, very similar. So these are smoothing for under eye. So yeah, that's great. I'll never ever turn down eye products because I take after my father's side of the family, I take after the Greek side of the family, and unfortunately there is texture on my skin. I can't help that, it is what it is. I look older than my mum, but do you know what, in the grand scheme of things I don't care. But this looks really, really good. I'm just trying to see if I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't really see what ingredients there are in this. It does say non-water, 75% sea berry, travel friendly, quite cool. So we've got that. Then we've got, oh, now I do like this company. I do love stuff from Bubble Tea. I remember Bubble Tea having some beautiful bath crystals that were in last year's Halloween glossy box, and they were gorgeous. But this is the Earl Grey bath tea. There's 100 grams in there. So this is, after a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aroma of this quintessentially British tea containing 100 grams of tea infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. Well, anybody who's got a bath is going to like this. I'm very, very excited to try this. As I say, bubble tea stuff is really, really nice anyway. I really like bubble tea. So I'm very, very excited to try this. Now, I don't know if it tells you in the booklet at all how much these are actually worth. So let's just have a quick look what's in the box. Right, okay, so the Starskin, let me just read this out to you. It says Smooth and Bio Cellulose Second Skin Eye Catcher Mask worth £4.25. Yeah, that's really, really lovely. Remove eye masks from sachet, discard outer protective layers and apply under eyes, ensuring that they're positioned from the narrow inner to the wider outer. But I've got a wider inner and a wider outer. We're not even going to go there, are we? Don't want to know about my wider inner. Okay, remove after 15 minutes of massage in the remaining serum. The bubble tea Earl Grey is worth £5.99. So yeah, it says an innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains from the ultimate relaxing treat. Well, I have ultimate aches and pains, I really do, with my condition, so that's going to be very, very helpful. Now, there is a big thing here that I think I might pull out, because this is a glove and relax soft hair wrap, super absorbent hair towel, short drying times. Oh right, yes, I've had loads of these. I don't really necessarily get on with them, to be honest. It's basically what you would wrap your hair in after you've washed it, so it absorbs all the moisture and you don't have to use your towel. I will say I'm not overly keen on these, but you know, this could be different. We'll give it a go. Oh, it feels, now that feels really luxurious. Oh my goodness, that feels gorgeous. Tell you what this feels like. This feels like the makeup cloths that you can get that you used to use water to just take your makeup off. So, hello, how do I look? I look like I'm going to do an R&B video now, don't I? No, it does, seriously. Oh, have you noticed? You probably haven't noticed, I've actually dyed my hair. I've gone a bit red. Yeah, so this, you would wash your hair and then you would put your hair in it and then you would wrap it up and it saves drying time. Yeah, I will give that a go. You know, just because it's not worked for me before doesn't mean it's not going to work for me now. And glove hair wrap worth £14.99. It says here it's suitable for all hair types. This glove hair I'm sure I'm saying this right. It's GLOV, glove. Glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology. Right, yeah, it's microfiber, so it is the same stuff as what they use to make the cloths to do take your makeup off with just water. You know what I mean. That is more gentle than regular cotton towels. It's the hair care accessory you didn't know you needed. Ideal for drying hair overnight, locking in hair masks and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. Actually, that might be really handy for Sophia, because Sophia goes to bed and she's just washed her hair and she's very, very curly. So I might actually wrap Sophia's hair up in that for her so that she can go to bed and not worry about having a wet pillowcase. Yeah, I think that could be good for her. That could be ideal. Okay, so next up we have a Balance Me. Oh, now the last time I got a box, there was a Balance Me. This is a Bacurical Soothing Serum, whatever Bacuric. Right, okay. Let's have a look and see if we can find it. Balance Me. Okay. Bacurical Serum. There's 7ml here, and it's worth £11. It's a 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result? Smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. So it says that you can use on cleansed skin AM or PM, and then follow with SPF in the morning, well, which you would do anyway, because, you know. So that's pretty good. Quite liking that. So this box is actually adding up to quite a bit of money's worth in here. Quite a bit of money's worth. I'm going to go for the next one here, and we have overnight foot cream. Do you know, I was just saying to my husband a couple of weeks ago, I needed to do like one of these foot masks that now it's come at summer and like got all dry skin or whatever from having your feet out and doing nothing because you haven't been able to go anywhere. It says e-cooking, so let's have a look and see if we can find the page for this. Overnight foot cream, and this is worth £8 and 10 pence. Why is it worth £8 and 10 pence? Why can't it just be worth £8? The 10p is going to make all the difference, isn't it? It says it works its magic while you sleep. This e-cooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. Vegan and dermatologically tested. How to use: massage the cream gently into your feet before you go to sleep. For maximum effectiveness, apply and cover with socks. I don't like going to bed with socks on. But I'm going to give this a sniff. Okay. Oh, that smells really nice. I seem to have half a jar. They haven't filled that up. Mind you, it doesn't matter, because if the weight says, like, the measurement is right, then it doesn't really matter. That's a heavy jar. I like that jar. This is going to sound really daft, but this reminds me of, like, the old medicine bottles that we used to have when I was a kid. I like that. I like that. So, again, this looks like it's going to be really good. And like I said, I think this is going to be a perfect treat for your feet because, you know, you've had your feet out in your sandals and your flip-flops, etc. And this is going to be fantastic because where your skin has rubbed and gone dry, this is going to take it away. Fingers crossed. Okay, now to the last product. Now, I know the last product is something by Terry because I can see it in the corner here. But I just want to say, look, they always make such an effort. I always love this shredded paper that they put in. Love it. Okie dokie, let's just hope this is something by Terry. It is something by Terry. Oh, do you know what? I've got a lipstick by Terry, and it is incredible. So what have we got here? By Terry. This is, oh my goodness, Wondershare Flaconette. This is worth £14. It says it's a travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm. Combines luxury and protection, infused with shea butter, rose flower, wax and vitamin E. It glides onto the lips effortlessly. That's a word that is an effort That's a word that's an effort to get out. Whilst providing a subtle shine. Perfect for on-the-go nourishment. How to use. Use alone or under lip products. Oh, under lip products for a smooth application. Apply over lipstick for a glossy finish. So you can use both. Okay. So, it's very, very dinky. Well, there's no sort of smell or anything. Let's just pop that on there. As you can see, a very, very sheer. Well, it feels like it does feel like a lip gloss. It's a very, very sort of sheer colour. That looks really nice, actually. That does look really nice. I'm going to give that a go. So there we go. We have the Look Fantastic box for October. So what do I think? There are all beauty products in here and no makeup. I mean, would have been nice to have some makeup. I suppose they could class that as makeup, but it isn't really. There isn't any makeup. But, do you know what? I love skincare. I love anything to do with skincare. I love body care. I love bathing. So I'm actually quite happy with this. So this cost me $14.50, I think it was. I think it was $14.50 for this. So it's good value. So we're going to round up to see what we've actually got money-wise. So we've got $14.99, so we might as well say 15. So that's 8, so that's 23. This is 14, so that's 37. And then we have the start, which is $4.25, so that's 41. 41, $5.99, so 47. And this is 11, so it's £58 worth of product in there. Are they products that I would have bought? No. I'll be honest, they're not products that I would have bought. But they are definitely products that I will try. Sorry, you have to excuse me. I got caught out in the rain at work today. So my hair is a little bit all over the place. I have got a messy cut now. Messy cut. But yeah, right. Okay, so we need to sort out what this actually does. So Look Fantastic Foundation Finder hold here. So if you are clever enough to get your phone to perhaps take a picture of that Queerify code, it might help you. It says scan the QR code on the front of this colour card and follow the link. Answer three simple questions about your preferred foundation coverage and skin type. Take a selfie and discover the best foundation for you. Right, this needs to be done with no makeup on. So we are going to do a separate video to see if this actually works. And we're going to do this with no makeup on. So watch this space, beauty babes. Watch this space. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I waffle on, but I'm going to have my cup of tea now. That's a Dukes of Hazzard mug. It's only because my husband is absolutely nuts about Dukes of Hazzard. And I think it's probably more the fact that he likes Catherine Back. And anybody who doesn't know who Catherine Back is, she's Daisy Duke. She's the original Daisy Duke. So there you have it. There is October's Look Fantastic beauty box. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do sporadic videos. We're a bit quiet at the moment on the video front because I'm now going into my most busiest period of the year. Christmas. It's the most busiest, and that is why I'm up here in the bedroom and not in my studio, because my studio is set up ready for school photographs and also Christmas photographs and Halloweeny pictures as well. So I tend to move up into my bedroom when I get really busy, and the videos are not going to be as frequent as what they should be, but do you know what? If you guys like me, you guys stick with me, and yeah, who knows when the next video will be up. But anyway, from me to you, lots of love, take care, lots of love and light, all the best. Talk to you soon, beauty babes. See ya.